Okay, hello guys, there's a new update in Brookhaven. So there's a remodeled daycare and adoption center. You can see it all the way right there. And there's oh my god, that's cool. 21 new props added. Skateboard, scooter, Segway, wheelchair too. Bro, you've got to be kidding me. Two bike rack, two robots, two drones, three vehicle sirens, paint buckets, three signs, garbage can, and two body outlines. That is cool. Okay, let me just do this right now. You bam, and bam. Okay, now let's get my hoverboard to the daycare. Okay, that is a new day. This is a new daycare. So it got more bricky, wooden. It got more wood and brick. And now the door and the floor is good. Is better now. There are more toys. There are books. There's three. There's a house. I bet the Crystalline gamers making a video about the new update will actually be crazy. If you don't know what the Crystalline game versus, it's just a YouTube channel about uh doing hobbies and the daycare. If they see this, they will be so cool, and they also have 3 million subscribers or 4 million. Now, so there's a house here. There's books. There's more trees. There's more toys. The thing I hate is that there's only one crib. That is bad. So the outside has like a solar panel floor, and now there's blue. Oh, and wait, these are the same things as before in the daycare. Actually, I thought I forgot it, and there's the thing like the hospital. So that's actually pretty cool. Now let's check the prop. Okay. Oh, it made me somewhere in the vehicle. Just don't know where the. Oh, it's here! Wow, that's cool. Okay, so we have the skateboard, scooter. Why is it broken? Why is it fall? Why did it fell down? Oh my god. Is this called a hoverboard or Segway? I am so confused about this. Wheelchair. The wheelchair is under the water. Please help me. Okay, there's two bikes. The one for the boy and the one for the. Why am I clicking on the wrong at the right side? And but in the group. Okay. And now we have two bikes together. Isn't there already two bikes? You, oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are only 7 and it said there's 21. Okay, let's check the other. Oh, I already checked this. How about this? I think this changed. The white, the thing on the last looks new actually. Looks new. What's the other thing? Keep out. Wait, wait. These are. Oh, so I guess this these things are actually new. I think maybe these are the update I forgot about actually. Wait, there's 21 new props. Okay, you have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where's the other prop? Oh my god. Wait, is this? Oh no, it's not new. Come on. Oh, let me check everything. There's only 12. Bam, bam. Wait, I think. Wait, these are new. Okay, I was using these a lot when I started making YouTube videos and Leslie Block YouTube videos. So this one is new. This one is new. This one is new. I think this one's new. And also this one. Oh, and the two robots. Okay, but we have 12. So 13. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Where are the other three? There's only 18. There's 18. Not here. Mm, uh, uh, no. Wait, I think, no, it's not changed. Uh, 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 did nothing even change? Nothing changed. Okay. I can find the other one, so like the video, subscribe to Gasly Vlog, bye bye, and share the video or do a lot of good things to my channel. Bye! Subscribe to Gasly Vlog.